Welcome back to the channel from zero to data hero. So today's question was asked in Meta interview and it's a easy problem. It is related to users with many searches. The question asks about the number of users who made more than 5 searches in August 2021. So and the table name is FV searches and this is the data present in the table. So basically, it's asking who are the users who made more than 5 searches in August 2027. So basically, we can use the between clause for the date, and we need to do the count of search IDs where count is greater than 5. So it's a easy question. We can do it in the subquery format. I will show it to you. Select user ID, comma count of search ID as CNT. This is the alias, so we can give a CNT. Then from this table FB searches, then we need to check the condition where it is in between August of 2021. So where there is a date column as well. So date we will check whether it's in the proper format. So it's not in that format. We can do as date between 2021 hyphen 0. August is 8th month and 01, and we'll copy this, and August has 31 days. Then we'll do from this, we'll check whether it's correct or not. Yeah, we are getting the count as 25, but then we need to group by the user ID, as we will get different counts for every users. Now we'll check it. So we are getting user ID 517 as 5, 520 as 9. So we now want to have the numbers where the count is greater than 5. Then we can basically use here is having clause. So having clause is similar to where, but it's used for aggregate functions like count, sum, average, etc. So whenever an aggregate function is used, and if you want to put a conditions on the aggregate function, then we will definitely use the having clause. And now having CNT, so here it's written as who made more than 5 searches. So count of search ID should be greater than 5. This CNT is the alias here. Now we'll check it. So we are getting 2 users. So now the question first part asks is count the number of users. So basically we can do it like this. We can put this in a subquery format. Then write select count of user ID from this table. So something is wrong. Every derived table must have its own alias. So basically the error is we need to give an alias for this table. So we'll give it as x. No, it's right. So yeah, we'll check it by solving. Yeah, so the count of user ID will be 2 and the expected output is as also 2. So here basically we are using the subquery. So first we found out the count of search ID and did a group by the user ID and the date between these two dates, where the count of search ID will be having greater than 5, as it is asking for more than 5 searches. Then we need to count the first part, so basically the count the number of users. So basically we are counting the user IDs from the table of this where we got the two user IDs and we gave an alias as well. So yeah, that's it. It's a complex question, but it's in the easy problem, and it was asked in the meta interview, and it is a good problem where you can use the functions like the having, group by, and the count aggregate functions. So basically this is done, and hope you liked it. Keep thriving, stay updated, and follow for more updates.